Next up, Glock 21, mostly stock, a couple of upgrade pots, Lone Wolf threaded barrel, night sights, Glock night sights, extended mag release, extended takedown lever, extended Vickers slide lock. I really like these Vickers slide locks. I think they're great. I have them on all my Glocks. And different back cover plate. And historically this pistol has run like a top with pretty much all ammo. 230 grain berries plated bullets with Winchester 231. Winchester 231 has produced some of the most accurate loads with 230 grain plated bullets. Plated bullets for reloaders, in my opinion, are the best value. It's a good price, and it's better than just shooting lead. It doesn't crap up the barrel as much. Even though this is a traditional rifled barrel, it still doesn't crap it up as much. And if you use just stock Glock barrels with polygonal rifling, this will run a little bit cleaner and decrease the chance of pressure spikes due to buildup inside the barrel. So this is what I qualified for my concealed carry 45 ACP. This thing historically has been really very accurate. So here we go. Let's see if this has a little more knockdown power on the steel. Oh yeah. Don't want to drop the mags in this crud. Got a lot of crud on the ground. This is a 10-round mag. When you put 10 rounds in it, the spring is really taut. Sometimes you get misfeeds with the first couple rounds out of the mag until the spring is a little bit relaxed. This is one incredibly accurate 45. Glock 21 Gen 4, Lone Wolf, threaded barrel, as accurate as anything else I've ever fired. And with iron sights. Iron Mark can improve your accuracy, but in this case, don't need it. Glock 21 Gen 4. Life is good.